Now this is an economy catastrophic bleed kit. Now this kit is similar to the contents that you'd have in a larger catastrophic bleed kit, but this one has a much lower price range to it, and also the equipment in it is slightly different. So the kit itself is physically smaller than a lot of other kits. It's still a zip action case, so you can just open it up and it opens up into the two parts. On this side you've got gloves, because you need to get the gloves very easily. You can just pull the pairs of gloves out, and then you can just open up the zip on this side, and inside here there are some shears to cut away any clothing. You've also got a trauma dressing, and these dressings are very, very absorbent. They'll control bleeding and you can apply pressure easily with them. On the other side, you've got the Citizen Aid pocket guide, and what this guide does, it easily in picture format, it just shows you what to do with different types of catastrophic incident or serious terrorist incident you may need to come across. So it goes through all sorts on here, from knife attacks to active shooters to use of a vehicle as a weapon, and also things like chemical attacks, and it also tells you what to do in very, very simple, easy to read language. Now this pocket guide here is also available as an app, so you can literally go to the App Store and download that, and you can have that information. And it's the sort of thing it's worth, whether you've got this kit or not, using that app and having that on your phone. And once you've downloaded it on your phone, it stays on your phone. So even if the phone signals get cut off, you can still access the information. But that guide's in there. The other thing you have in is this, which is the Tourni-key Plus. This is again a Citizen Aid product. It's a tourniquet. Now it's a tourniquet that you can use very simply. You'll use it comes inside here, a triangular bandage, the material type. So you can secure that around the limb, and it comes with this plastic tourniquet here. And what that would do is you wind it round and you can use it as a windlass to tighten up the pressure and very quickly stop a bleed. It's very strong, very effective, and it's simple to use. And literally you just take it out of the packet, you can follow the instructions. It's a nice and simple unit to use. So with all these bits here, it's a very economical system, but this will stop catastrophic bleeds just as much as others. It may not have as many dressings in, it may not have a full commercial tourniquet, but this type of kit will be ideal for most applications. If you're interested in any more information about this kit, other kits, or any other first aid item that we have, you can go to our website on firstaidonline.co.uk or email us on supplies@protrainings.uk.